Have you ever wondered what really happens when you push gold to its absolute limits? I mean, we all know gold is valuable and beautiful, but what if I told you that when you superheat it, gold can behave in ways that seem almost magical or even a little bit wild? Most people think gold just melts and that's the end of the story. But trust me, there's a whole world of science waiting to be discovered once you start cranking up the heat. Stick around because what happens next might just blow your mind. Gold is legendary for its shine, its rarity, and the fact that it's nearly indestructible. That's why it's been treasured for thousands of years, used in everything from ancient coins to Olympic medals and even the circuits inside your smartphone. We all know that gold melts at about 1064 degrees Celsius, that's over 1900 degrees Fahrenheit. But here's the twist. What if you don't stop there? What if you keep heating it, pushing it way past its melting point? That's when things get seriously weird. Gold doesn't just sit there as a calm, golden puddle. Instead, it starts to act up in ways you'd never expect. As you keep raising the temperature, the liquid gold begins to bubble and churn, almost like it's alive. These aren't just gentle bubbles either, they're intense, rapid, and sometimes even violent, as if the gold is trying to escape the crucible. In fact, the bubbling can get so extreme that tiny droplets of molten gold are blasted out, shooting into the air like a miniature fireworks display. It's a gold show you definitely don't want to miss. Just don't try this at home. And if you keep pushing the temperature even higher, something even more incredible happens. Gold doesn't just melt, it can actually boil, just like water does, but at a mind-blowing 2,856 degrees Celsius, or over 5,100 degrees Fahrenheit. At this point, gold turns into a vapor, a golden mist that floats in the air. Imagine seeing a cloud of gold, shimmering and swirling, created by nothing but pure heat. It's like something out of a science fiction movie, but it's real. But the surprises don't stop there. When scientists cool down gold super quickly, what they call quenching, the metal doesn't always return to its usual smooth form. Instead, it can freeze into bizarre, never-before-seen crystalline shapes. These strange new structures are so unique that researchers are still trying to figure out exactly how they form and what they could be used for. Some of these crystals have properties that could change the way we use gold in technology, medicine, and even art. And here's the thing. Studying how gold behaves under these extreme conditions isn't just a cool science experiment, it actually helps us design better electronics, more reliable space gear, and even new medical devices. Gold's unique properties make it perfect for conducting electricity and resisting corrosion, which is why you'll find it in everything from your phone's microchips to the visors on astronauts' helmets. But there's an even bigger story here. By understanding how gold melts, boils, and transforms, scientists can unlock secrets about how gold was created in the first place. Inside the fiery explosions of dying stars, billions of years ago, every gold ring, coin, or bar you see is a tiny piece of cosmic history. So next time you see a gold ring or a piece of jewelry, remember, it's not just a pretty metal, it's a survivor of supernovas, a marvel of chemistry, and a playground for some of the wildest science experiments on Earth. Superheat it, and you're not just melting gold, you're unlocking secrets that connect us to the stars and the very origins of our universe. If you thought gold was just for jewelry or coins, think again. Hit like if you learned something new today, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-melting science adventures, because the universe is full of surprises and we're just getting started.